What if I told you? You could become Iron Man, wield Mjolnir, or launch real webs like Spider-Man, all without leaving your living room. Welcome to Gear Lab, the ultimate arena for Amazon's most insane superhero gadgets and collector. Tech from across the multiverse. Whether you're a Marvel mega fan, a DC devotee, or a robotics enthusiast, this is your power-packed guide to the top 20 real superhero gadgets you can actually own in 2025. Let's unbox your inner Avenger because these aren't toys ... They're your origin story. Forget Optimus. Grimlock's here with 34 servo motors, voice commands, and enough G1 nostalgia to melt Megatron's face. Controlled via app or your voice, this beast transforms right before your eyes. Plug into your Tony Stark era with this Arduino-compatible glove. Control robotic arms in real time using your hands movement, ideal for STEM creators, tinkerers, and robotic students. Open source. Open potential. Backed by NVIDIA Jetson, this robotic arm literally learns with you. Facial recognition, 3D mapping, and auto-object grab in real space. It's like Jarvis and Ultron had a baby. Autonomous driving? Check. Slam navigation? Check. Voice control? Absolutely. This is Tesla meets WALLE, and it's made for coders, engineers, and future visionaries. Bring out your inner Peter Parker. This wrist shooter blasts real webs or water and comes straight out of the Spider-Verse. Kids love it. Adults pretend they bought it for the kids. Electrically powered magnetic launcher. It doesn't get more superhero DIY than this. Launch real silk up to 8 feet and reel it back like a silk slinging ninja. This 1-to-1 scale pendant glows with mystical detail. Whether you're cosplaying, displaying, or trying to bend time, no promises. This is Sorcerer Supreme level swag. Whosoever holds this hammer. With Thunder FX, crack detailing, and a legit display stand, it's the ultimate collector's hammer for the worthy. Smash stakes like a god of thunder. Made from wood and aluminum, it's hilarious, useful, and dangerously close to Asgardian BBQ level awesome. This helmet opens like the real deal. Voice control? Jarvis? LED eyes? Oh yeah, it's not cosplay. It's cos living. This levitating, rotating arc reactor spins mid-air on your desk. RGB lights, remote controlled. Sci-fi flex. Perfect for office decor with billionaire energy. It's subtle. It's stylish. It makes bat symbol ice cubes, candy, or chocolate. Because justice should be cold. This tempered glass beauty screams freedom fries. Anti-slip feet, heat resistant, and the perfect gift for the Avengers chef in your life. No batteries, no gimmicks. Just retractable claws, kid-safe design, and full-on X-Men nostalgia. Shrink down your ego and maybe your laundry bill with this lead-loaded wearable. It's part of the Marvel Legends series, and yes, it's adjustable and adult-approved. Optimus Prime is back, and he's more heroic than ever. This 11-inch large-scale figure converts into a toy truck, reviving the golden age of Autobots for a whole new generation. Step into Harry's shoes literally disappear on camera using our magic. Includes tripod app features. And yes, your pet can wear it too. Straight from Fortnite with a bonus unlock code. Break open loading, 12 darts, and comic-style paint job, this blaster is as stylish as it is savage. This isn't just a prop. It breathes, it speaks, it dominates. Wear it for cosplay, display, or when you're feeling the power of the dark roast. Die-cast metal, official replica with a glowing display case. Channel the might of willpower and look absolutely legendary while doing it. So, what's your power? Which of these hero gadgets will level up your desk, your cosplay, or your kitchen? Drop a comment below, because your comment isn't just feedback, it's fuel. The very first comment that suggests a topic will be the focus of our next video. That's right, you decide what we explore next. Be the first and shape the future of Gear Lab. Hit that like button if you're a real gear junkie. Subscribe to Gear Lab for the hottest Amazon finds, insane unboxings, and gadgets you didn't know you needed, but now can't live without. All links are in the description. Click through, support the channel, and grab your next level gadget today.